Hey friends, my name is Sunan Sharma. I am Agile Consultant by profession, and if you are visiting our channel CareersTalk first time, make sure you hit the subscribe button. When you subscribe to my channel, you will get three benefits. First benefit, for your next Scrum Master interview, you will be more confident after watching real-world Scrum Master interviews, question and answers from large multinational companies. Second benefit, you will learn more about different exams, certifications like PSM, CSM, PMI, ACP, Scaled Agile. Third benefit, you will learn a lot from videos on Agile methodologies along with different frameworks like Scrum, SAFe, Kanban. Every single week, I will upload at least one video for you. So click on subscribe button right away and make sure you hit bell icon to turn on the notification. So let's begin with today's video. How to write a Scrum Master resume, a complete guide for beginners and experts. Friends, at the end of the video, if you like to get one-page resume template for free, so please subscribe and share your email ID in comment section of the video. In this course, you will going to learn first one, Scrum Master resume examples that will help you with your Scrum Master job. Second, what do the Scrum Master hiring managers look for in your resume? Third, how to write an impressive and conversation-focused Scrum Master resume summary. Fourth, how to write a crisp yet elaborated description of your work as a Scrum Master. Fifth, how to add job-winning skills in a Scrum Master resume put together for you. You have sent your Scrum Master resume to hundreds of jobs, but you have not heard back. So what's the problem? Well, there are close to thousands of jobs available and there are over 150k Scrum Masters within the USA alone. If this was any other different profession, you will simply increase the quantity of applications and land employment. But friends, there are less than 300 job opportunities if you reside in any major city, out of which majority seeks a highly experienced professional and fewer than 5% only demand an entry-level Scrum Master resume. Therefore, writing a Scrum Master resume needs some serious attention and skills. So friends, just follow this guide and Scrum Master resume examples and hopefully you will get your next job very fast. So friends, let's start with how to write a Scrum Master resume. The first step towards writing an attractive resume is to understand what your hiring manager wants to looking in your resume. So what's going to be their wow moment? So friends, here what most hiring managers seek for an remarkably Scrum Master resume, these things: whether the applicant is certified or not, the total years of experience, the type of projects industry candidate worked on, and the fourth important thing is, for a new Scrum Master, HR would try to look your existing experience to see whether you have the experience of leading teams or not. The two Scrum Master resume layout. Friends, it's a myth that number of resume pages should be equal to your year of experience. Nowadays, the perfect length of a resume is 1 page or at max 2 pages. So the two most popular Scrum Master resume layout you should consider is, first one is a reverse chronological resume and the second is hybrid resume. Friends, if you are an entry-level Scrum Master, please see the right way of mentioning what you have to do in your summary. You can mention something like, I am a entry-level Scrum Master, has worked in Agile environment as a software engineer for 7 years, worked on 2 Scrum teams and filled in as a Scrum Master on several occasions. Proven history of successful work with cross-functional teams. Friends, in this way, you are giving an indication that you already work as a proxy Scrum Master. In general, a good resume summary should have your year of experiences working as a Scrum Master, what your focus was, your industry, the software you work with, the different processes, and of course your technical skills. So we have covered summary, what should be a summary in a good resume. Now let's move on to how to write a Scrum Master resume for experienced person. So more precisely, HR wants to see if you were a Scrum Master or a project manager, your team managing experience, whether you have worked with distributed teams, your experience of working with the agile cross-functional teams, your experience as a team coach, program management experience. That's why your resume experience should speak out about your technical skills, your work, and the impact you made on your team and organization. You can see the difference between the experienced Scrum Master resume, both the wrong way of doing and the right way of doing. So I suggest you to take a pause and spend some time on this particular slide. Please try to noticing the difference. Friends, next important thing is adding skills to your Scrum Master resume. Hiring managers want to understand if you are the skilled Scrum Master that they have been looking for. Adding correct skills set in your resume is very important. Friends, these are the top 12 Scrum Master resume skills. It's just an example. It's up to you. You want to change these key words or not. To start with, you should always mention about the tools which you worked as a Scrum Master. That can be anything, Jira, Rally, whatever you worked on. Please highlight these words like user stories, sprint planning, coaching agile practices, removing impediments, retrospective meetings, team building, burn down charts, quality control, communication, documentation or matrices, or requirement gathering. These are the few keywords which HR or a hiring manager look out in your resume. Certifications for your Scrum Master resume. Again, it's an important thing. So certification requires a special place on your resume, create new section and add your certification there. Common resume certifications for Scrum Master are PSM, CSM, PMI ACP, CEC, and CST. As you see on the slide, you can mention something like that, make a separate section for your certification. Friends, next important thing is to add your education to your Scrum Master resume. For hiring managers, especially if they are HR recruiters, your educational qualification is important for them. HR recruiter find it useful if they see that the applicant has been through a formal IT education. For more experienced candidates, their work do most of the talking, and therefore mentioning the major degrees would be enough. In just a minute, a HR going to hover your resume would know that you have the right educational background. Friends, please see the difference. The way education is being mentioned in your resume is play an important role for HRs. Let's summarize what we have learned so far. Importance of a reverse chronological resume. Your resume summary should be impressive and comprise of your experience, numbers and figures. Create the impact of your work and begin yourself as a Scrum leader in the experience section. Add skills and certifications to your resume. Friends, if you want this template, please subscribe to my channel and give your email ID in comment section of this video. I will send this particular template, or if you want, I can send this particular template. So please do mention which template you want, or if you wish, I can send both of these templates to your email ID. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new today. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon, and very important to turn on the notification so every time I upload new video you will get the notification on time. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.